In today's video, we're going to be looking at Trading 212 Invest, and I'll be comparing it against the Stocks ISA and also the Cash ISA so that you can find out what the differences are and which one's better for you. And let's start with Trading 212 Invest. Now, Trading 212 is actually a commission-free investment platform, and this allows us to buy and sell stocks and ETFs. Now, you won't pay any commission for buying and selling investments. However, there can be small foreign exchange fees if you're buying shares in a currency that's different from the one that you hold in your account. Invest is a good option for beginner investors who are looking for a wide selection of stocks and ETFs and are looking for a platform where they can trade stocks and learn exactly how to invest. However, in my opinion, if you're putting a significant amount of money into your investments on stocks and shares, then you should probably open up a Stocks ISA. Now, as you can see here, an ISA actually allows you to save and invest tax-free. So this means that we can invest up to £20,000 each tax year and we will pay no tax on our profits. So if we manage to trade this £20,000 up to, let's say, £1 million, we could take that all out tax-free. Now, a Cash ISA is also similar to this, in which you can deposit up to £20,000 each tax year and earn tax-free interest. However, instead of spending that £20,000 on stocks, like you would with a Stocks ISA, the Cash ISA gives you a place to invest your money and it will give you 5.2% interest. And they've also got a cool thing on their site down here which allows you to see how much you're going to earn. So if your ISA is worth £20,000, over 15 years you would earn £23,000. But of course this interest could change, so this may not be 100% accurate. So in conclusion, what are the main differences between Invest and these ISAs? Now, the main difference is the tax, because by using ISAs you're allowed to invest up to £20,000 and all the money that you make from that £20,000 investment will be tax-free. Whereas if we were trading on Invest and made money this way, we'd actually have to pay taxes on all the money that we profited. So if you're serious about stocks and shares and you're investing a substantial amount, I recommend that you get a Stocks and Shares ISA. So this has been my video talking about the differences of a Trading 212 ISA and Trading 212 Invest. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand all the key differences between them and you should be able to work out which one's better for you. So I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.